Daniel Tiger's neighborhood. Daniel plays at school. Hi, neighbor. Welcome to my school. Do you want to play? Asks Miss Elaina. Yes! I want to build a train. Miss Elaina wants to build a spaceship. We want to build different things. What should we do? We ask Teacher Harriet. She says, try and solve the problem yourself. You will feel proud. We talk about our problem. We have an idea. We will build a space train. This block is the engine, and these are the rockets. And these blocks are the wings. We did it! How do you feel? Teacher Harriet asks. We feel proud. It's time for our space train to blast off! Prince Wednesday wants to play with us. Miss Elaina will drive the train. I will be a space alien. I'll wear this green jacket. Prince Wednesday wants to be a space alien too. We both want to wear the jacket. What should we do? Try to solve the problem yourself. You will be proud. We have an idea. We can both wear the jacket. We're a silly space alien together. Now we can blast off to space school! Hooray! I liked solving problems at school today.